Hello, this is Colin Keppen, DC from Active Rest, and what I'm going over today is self-myofascial release with 2 tennis balls and some duct tape. There's different objects out there that you can buy that are similar to this, but what it does is it allows the spinous process, the bone goes right into the space here, and then the muscles by the spine get worked with the tennis balls. Here's the most important part, is the placement of the ball. Not on the neck, underneath the collar. And then once you have it set in the right place, there's different arm arrangements you can have. You can have both of them here together, but personally, I have more tension on my left side than the right, so I'm gonna actually bring my arm across the body to stretch the side that I'm releasing. Right arm supports the head, left arm crosses the body, hips come up in the air, and you slowly roll back. And you can also slowly crunch up just a bit. Roll it. There it is. If you find a spot that's good, you can stay there for a second or two. Okay. And I don't want to have you go too far down into the lumbar spine with this. I'm staying in the thoracic spine area. Pretty much don't go down to the low back and don't go up to the neck.